What if one credit card could quietly earn you thousands of points every year, but only if you use it the right way? Most people get this wrong. But here's why choosing the wrong rewards card can actually cost you more than it gives back. Today, we're doing an honest, simple breakdown of the Combank Ultimate Rewards credit card, so you can decide if it truly fits your lifestyle. This card is designed for people who spend regularly and want to earn points on everyday purchases. The standout feature is its rewards rate. You earn points for every dollar you spend, with higher rates for eligible purchases like groceries, fuel, dining, and travel. Over a year, regular users can easily collect tens of thousands of points, which can be redeemed for flights, gift cards, or transferred to partner programs. One of the most attractive features is the monthly fee waiver. Instead of a fixed annual fee, the card charges a monthly fee that is waived when you spend above a certain amount each month. You won't believe what happens next when you realize that just paying your normal bills and groceries can cancel out the fee completely. But this only works if you stay consistent. Miss the spending requirement, and the fees quickly add up. The card also offers international transaction fee waivers, which is a big deal for travelers and online shoppers. Many cards charge extra for overseas purchases, but this one does not. That alone can save frequent travelers hundreds per year. However, the surprising truth is that rewards cards are not for everyone. Interest rates are high, so carrying a balance can wipe out any benefits. Most people get this wrong by chasing points while paying interest, which defeats the entire purpose. This card works best for disciplined spenders who pay in full every month and can meet the monthly spend target. If that sounds like you, it can be a powerful everyday card. Make your money work for you, not against you. Subscribe now for more honest financial reviews that help you make smarter choices.